everyone. Thanks for joining me today. My name is Anjali Stith. I am owner-operator of Joys for Math Tutoring Services, where we help bring F's to A's by bringing the joy of math to a new generation. So today we are going to continue our subject of factoring. In our previous video, all of our numbers were positive. So it was easy to factor because we didn't have to deal with any negative numbers. Today, we do want to dive in by giving you another type where our number that has the x with it is negative, but our constant is positive. So let us begin. Let's say we start off with x squared minus 11x plus 28, okay? We see, oh no, oh my gosh, I got a negative here, but I got a positive over here. Well, the one thing that we know, we can multiply two positive numbers together to get a positive number, or we can multiply two negative numbers together, okay? So let's go through and let's see what two factors of 28 would multiply together to get but factor 28 will multiply together to get 28, but we'll add together to get 11, okay? So we have 28, and we got 1 and 28. We got 2 and 14, and we have 4 and 7. So after looking at it, I know my 4 plus my 7 will equal 11. But remember, we're not looking for 11. We're looking for negative 11, so we would have to have negative 4 plus negative 7 equals negative 11. And from there, we do like we did in our other video. So we're going to say x squared minus 4x minus 7x plus 28. And we're going to break it down the middle. Okay, so we see over here, this has an x squared, this has an x. So we can take an x out of both sides, leaving us with x times x minus 4. Now over here, we see we have a negative 7 and a positive 28. Well, we're going to have to take negative 7 out and not just 7, because if we just take 7 out, that will leave our x negative, which will not help because this x right here is positive. So we're going to need to have this x positive as well. So we are going to take out a negative 7 from both numbers, leaving us with x minus 4. That gets us the negative 4 here, x and x, so that these are the same number, and that would be a factor, and we can pull it out. So x minus 4, and then left with x minus 7. And we factored the x squared minus 11x plus 28. Let's do another one. We have x squared minus 8x plus 15, okay? We're going to come over here, and we say the 15. We got 1 and 15, 3 and 5. So we know the 3 and 5 is what we're going to use, but we need it to be negative, and that looks like a an underscore instead of a negative. So we're going to put minuses, because we know negative 3 plus negative 5 equals negative 8. So we're going to plug it in. X squared minus 3x minus 5x plus 15, okay? Go down our middle. Over here, x comes out. X minus 3. Over here again, like we did up top, we're going to take a negative 5 out because we need our x to be positive, and we need this to be negative. So negative 5 out, leaving us with x minus 3. We have our same factor right here, so we're going to bring that out. X minus 3, then times x minus 5. Okay? And then let's do one more example. We have x squared minus 14x plus 45. So we're going to look at our 45. Okay, we have 1 and 45. We have 3 and 15. We have 5 and 9. Okay, so I see that my 5 and my 9 will do it. make those negative, which will get me my negative 14 here. We're going to put them in. So x squared minus 5x minus 9x plus 45. Go down my middle, take out my x, take out my negative 9. We see that these are the same, so I'm going to take those out. And we're left with my x minus 9. Okay, so those are 3 examples when our middle term is negative and our end term is positive. Check out the next video when both of our terms are negative. Have a great day.